Hello to all my friends out there. So, okay, I have a stockpile. Now, what am I going to do with the stockpile? Well, what I want to do is make some nutritionally dense bread. One way I can increase the nutrition is I'm going to use 1/2 wheat flour. I bought that at Walmart. I thought this was a good deal. It was $5, $3 and something cents. I bought this flour at 99 cents only, Walmart, but I also bought yeast at 99 cents only. Salt, and then I have honey in my stockpile, so I'm going to use honey to make my bread. Okay, and then another thing you can do is use real butter on your bread. So your bread and butter is going to be pretty nutritious. Okay, I will be back.